Hello video creators. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're learning something super exciting: create videos with AI using Edimakor's newly updated AI video generator. Let's get started. First things first, download and launch Edimakor. If you already have it on your computer, update it to the latest version. Once you're in Edimakor, choose AI video generator. Next up, to create our video script. No need to prepare one in advance. Just click on AI copywriting here and start a conversation with our AI. Choose your language and expected word count. Then, enter your prompted text. Alright, now the magic happens. Edimakor will generate a script based on the topic. Not satisfied with the script? No problem. Just tell AI what you want to revise and how. Once you're happy with the script, click on Generate Scripts. With scripts split into scenes, we can now add media files. This could be anything: images, video clips, or even audio. Also, you don't need to manually find video clips because, with the auto-pick feature, matched clips will be automatically added. Now add AI voiceover for narration. Toggle on voiceover and select an AI voice in your preferred language. You can also choose a subtitle preset. The music has been added automatically. If you do not like it, click on the Replace button to select other music. Of course, you can just use the original video sound. Preview the video to make sure everything looks good. All done. We can export the AI-generated video. If you want to make further edits, you can also hit Advanced Edit to get into Edimakor's full editing interface. Thanks for joining me on this quick AI video generator tutorial. Give Edimakor's new feature a try and let us know how it goes. See you next time.